Okay, so I can do this little bubble thing and you can see me now. Hi, hello. So we're gonna talk about the parts of a tree. Ooh, I need to angle this so you can see me better. Is there any way to make this bigger? Or is that it? Let me see. Nope, that just turns it off. Okay, back on please. Okay, so I have posted some photos for the parts of a tree, so we can come in and review. Now these are just simple little graphics I made with free items from graphic makers things. These are not my images, so I'm not selling them. They are free. You can go to the page and look at them. You can grab the black and white one and print it if you want, okay, and do it at home. So we're going to talk about the parts of a tree. Now, this is a learning video for those of you watching rather than my kids answering all the questions all the time. Okay, so let me grab my pen. So the first thing we have, and we want to switch to green, please, that most people will know, and the first thing we learned this week is about leaves. Leaves. Now you'll see that I put leaves up here 2 times. We have 1 leaf and 2 leaves. So the first one is 1 leaf. Bite your lip. Leaf. 1 leaf. And the second one is 2 leaves. Leaves. 2 leaves. Okay? So from there on, we're going to erase. How do we erase? Ha 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 ha. That's a good idea. I guess maybe just back. There we go. Okay. So we have 1 leaf, 2 leaves. The next up, the leaves all grow on branches. 1 branch. 1 branch. 2 branches. 2 branches. Trees have many, many, many branches. Some are big and some are small. And branches will grow the leaves on the ends. So you can pretend like your fingers are the leaves and your arm is the branch. Okay? Your fingers are the leaves and your arm is the branch. Okay. Then next up, the main middle part of the tree, we have the trunk. Now to think of the trunk, you can think of your body, okay? The main middle part. Trunk. 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 Okay? This is the big part. It may start out very skinny when it's a baby tree, and then it will get bigger and bigger and bigger as it gets older and older and older. Okay? Next up, we have the roots. Most trees have more than 1 root, so we'll just say roots for now, okay? Now, maybe when it's a sapling means a baby tree. Maybe when it's a sapling, it might just start off with 1 root, but those roots will slowly grow out and have many, kind of like your hair, many, many, many. You can't even count it. There's so many roots. Roots. Sometimes the roots can be so big, we'll use yellow, that they grow above the ground and down. And you'll see that on some trees. You'll see the big root under the ground. Be careful not to trip and fall. And then the rest of the roots will be growing under the ground and they'll spread far and wide. Okay? And they will get all tangled up like very messy hair. Okay? Roots. Trees have many, many roots. Now, what job do the leaves do? What do the leaves do? The leaves take in light from the sun. The light goes into the leaves and the leaves turn it into food for the tree. And the tree is so happy and healthy and grows big and strong. How about the roots? The roots have 2 jobs, okay? At least 2 jobs that we're discussing for this early level. The roots are going to draw in the water so that the tree can grow big and strong and the leaves can stay green and healthy. And then they also help the tree stay standing. If there were no roots, the tree would just timber quonk on down. Oh, we don't want our trees to fall down. So the tree's roots will grow deep, deep, deep into the ground looking for water and also helping to hold the tree still, even when it's super windy. Okay? The outside of the trunk of the tree is covered in bark. Not bark like a dog. No, this is the bark on a tree. Now remember, please don't take off the bark. The tree needs its bark, okay? Now, we're gonna move on to the next picture, which means I need to turn off my pen to swipe. And I wanna ask you while we're here, ready? Can you tell me, and we'll use the colors to circle it or draw, where should we put the word leaves? Where does leaves go? I'll give you some letters, okay? Should it go in A, B, C, D, E, or F? Where should the leaves go? Remember, we're talking 2 or more. Leaves. A? Yeah, that's right. Okay, I'll switch colors now. We circled leaves in blue, so we'll circle that in blue so you know it goes there. Let's switch to green. Now we have B. B is what? What is B? Can you tell me? We already did leaves. How about B? What is B? B is over here. I'll circle it in green. What is that? The arrow is pointing to this one. One. What is it? Huh? Say it louder. Leaf. Right, with biting your lip and stopping. Leaf. Very good. Let's circle it. Next up, let's switch colors again. We're going to look at C. C, we're going to use yellow. C is pointing here to the middle, the big strong part of the tree. What is it? Yeah, it's the trunk. Very good. Trunk is here. Good. Switch colors again. We'll go to pink. Look at letter D. D. What is D? What is it? If you don't remember, think of a dog. A dog goes, woof, woof. The name for this part of the tree is the same thing as what we call woof, woof. What is it? Bark. Right. Good job. Bark. Okay. Our next one, we're going to use red, I guess. Let's look at E. Which one is E? Which one is E? It's pointing to the long stick part that sticks out from the trunk. The leaves grow on the end of it. What is it? A branch, right. It's a branch. Okay, our last one, we're gonna go for the darker blue color. F. These things, they grow under the ground. They help the tree get the water. They help the tree stand up big and strong so it doesn't fall down. What are they? Huh? Louder, please. Yeah, roots. Good job. Very good. Okay, so these are the parts of a tree, and I think I need to download a different app with a bigger window so you can see me better. What do you think? Do you think learning about the tree is good? Bad? Good? Bad? Yeah, trees are good for us. We need trees, okay? So let's work together to protect our trees, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.